Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys another highlighted headband wig. Now before you guys say we already seen it, this one is from Nadula Hair, another company that I've been partnering with. So I'm going to be showing you guys how this will look curled also, so you guys can get a feel of both. And I want you guys to do me a favor, go ahead and comment below whether you like this straight or curly. I'm really here for the pattern. I'm really here for the highlights. Like, everything is just, yes. So, I don't want to prolong this. Let's hop into this video.